If your iPhone is not responding to your touch or your taps and it's completely stuck or frozen, you don't need to call Apple. There's a quick and easy fix that you can do, and it just takes a couple minutes. I'll walk you through that fix, and if that doesn't work, another option as well that should get it working. So the first thing we're going to do is my phone works fine, but we're going to act as if the touch screen doesn't work. So of course, if that touch screen doesn't work, we need to use the physical buttons to get it to work. To do that, we're going to do a force restart on your iPhone. We're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold the side or power button until you see an Apple logo. So I'll show you how that works. Volume up, volume down, and then press and hold that side button. You can see it says slide to power off, but of course your iPhone screen doesn't work. So don't slide to power off. Just keep holding it until the entire screen goes black, and you'll keep holding that power button on the right until you see the Apple logo. What you've done is called a force restart on your iPhone. It's completely safe to do, and this almost always fixes issues with a stuck or a frozen screen that is not responsive to touch. However, if that doesn't fix it, the next thing that you're going to want to do is take the case, the physical case off of your iPhone, and take the screen protector off. Now, you'd be surprised a lot of times. Let me unlock my phone real quick. A lot of times that screen protector will get gunky or films on it. And I would recommend either just trying to clean the screen protector or physically removing the screen protector on that iPhone and then cleaning everything. See if it works at that point. If it still doesn't work, unfortunately, I would recommend at that point taking it into Apple, and they'll essentially plug in that iPhone to their diagnostics tool and determine what the issue is, potentially needing a screen replacement for your iPhone. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.